How your sex drive changes with age. From stress, hormonal changes to complicated relationships, many factors can impact your libido. Apart from that, age can also contribute to depleting sex drive in both men and women. Here's how your sex drive can change with your age. The level of sex hormones such as testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone also play a crucial role in determining your sex drive. Your sex drive in your 20s. When you're in your 20s, your sex drive is pretty much the strongest. Not only are your hormones intact, your level of intimacy is at its peak. Until and unless you're suffering from stress or chronic illnesses, your sex drive is bound to thrive. Your sex drive in your 30s. When you enter your 30s, there may be a slight shift in your hormone levels. It's a period where most people get busy building their careers or looking after their kids. That said, you can always communicate with your partner to kill the monotony and to spice up your sex life. Your sex drive in your 40s. Women can enter premenopause in their 40s. During this time, estrogen levels can drop, leading to depleting sex drive. Men can continue to have a strong sex drive, although testosterone starts to slowly decrease around age 35. Your sex drive in your 50s and beyond. While the love may never diminish, your sex drive may decrease when you hit age 50 and beyond. Problems like erectile dysfunction is common in older men, and women may face implications of menopause. Certain chronic illnesses that arise with old age may also trigger problems of depleting sex drive. In such cases, you can always consult your doctor and seek help.